In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see all your tasks in ClickUp. ClickUp is a powerful project management tool designed to help you stay organized, track your tasks, and collaborate with your team. Whether you're managing a large project or simply trying to stay on top of your daily to-do list, knowing how to view all your tasks in one place is essential. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll guide you through the process so you can easily find and manage your tasks, saving time and keeping your workflow efficient. Let's get started. First, head over to your Teamspace page in ClickUp. At the top of the page, you'll see a button labeled All Tasks. Go ahead and click on that. This will display every task in your workspace, giving you a complete overview of all the activities currently happening. It's a great way to get a snapshot of what's going on across your projects. Once you've opened the All Tasks view, take a moment to scan through the tasks displayed. This will help you get a sense of what's on your plate as well as what your team is working on. From here, you can start narrowing down your focus. Next, look to the top right corner of your project window. You'll see a filter button, which is represented by a funnel icon. Click on that to access ClickUp's filtering options. Now you can refine the list of tasks to show only the ones specifically relevant to you. Select My Tasks or use the option to filter by your name. This ensures you're only seeing the tasks assigned to you. If for some reason no tasks appear after applying the filter, don't worry. First, try refreshing the page. If that doesn't work, double-check to make sure you're set as the assignee for your tasks. Sometimes a task might not show up if it's not properly assigned, so verifying this step is important. After that, there's another helpful feature you can use. On the left side of the ClickUp interface, you'll find a section labeled My Task. Click on that to access a personal list of all your tasks. This section is specifically designed to give you a streamlined view of everything assigned to you in one convenient place. Finally, make the most of the My Task sidebar. Think of it as your personal dashboard, where you can manage your daily workload efficiently. From here, you can prioritize tasks, track progress, and stay organized as you work through your assignments. If you are new to ClickUp, you'll find a link in the description below to sign up and get started. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll have full control over your task management in ClickUp. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.